Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Skills. I'm Mr. P.
And I'm Jenny. Hi, everyone. We're so excited to be here with you today.
Today, we're going to talk about daily life. We'll have easy conversations that you can use every day.
That's right. We'll speak slowly and clearly, perfect for A1 beginner learners.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Okay, let's begin. Section 1. Morning Routine.
Jenny, let's talk about morning routines. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. How about you, Jenny?
I wake up at 6:30. I like to wake up early. What do you do after you wake up?
Well, first I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face. After that, I make my bed.
That's a good routine. I do the same things. I also take a shower every morning. It helps me feel fresh.
That's nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast with butter and drink orange juice. Sometimes I eat eggs. What about you?
I love cereal with milk, and I always drink coffee. I need coffee in the morning.
Coffee is very important for many people. Listeners, what do you eat for breakfast? Let us know in the comments.
Let's review some useful words from this conversation. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Brush teeth, to clean your teeth. Take a shower, to wash your body. Breakfast, the first meal of the day.
Section 2. At work or school.
Mr. P, let's talk about work and school. Jenny, do you work or study?
I work. I'm an English teacher. I teach students like you. What about you, Mr. P?
I'm also a teacher. I teach at a university. What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m. in the morning. I finish at 5 p.m. in the afternoon. That's 8 hours.
That's a normal workday. I start at 10 o'clock and finish at 6 o'clock. Do you have a lunch break?
Yes, I have a 1-hour lunch break at 12 o'clock. I usually eat lunch with my coworkers. We go to a restaurant or eat at the office.
That sounds nice. I bring my lunch from home. I like to save money. What kind of food do you eat for lunch?
I eat different things. Sometimes I eat a sandwich, sometimes rice with chicken, or sometimes a salad. I try to eat healthy food.
That's very good. Healthy food gives you energy. After lunch, do you feel tired?
Sometimes, yes. After lunch, I sometimes drink tea or coffee. It helps me stay awake.
Me too. For students watching, do you study in the morning or afternoon? Everyone is different. Let's learn some work and school vocabulary.
Start work, to begin working. Finish work, to stop working. Lunch break, free time to eat lunch. Co-worker, a person you work with. Save money, to keep money and not spend it.
Section 3. Evening Activities.
Great. Now let's talk about the evening. Jenny, what do you do after work?
After work, I go home. Sometimes I stop at the supermarket to buy food for dinner. Do you cook dinner? Yes, I cook. I'm not a very good cook, but I try. I usually cook simple food like pasta or fried rice.
That's good. Cooking is a useful skill. I like to cook too. I often cook vegetables with fish or chicken.
Sounds delicious. What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner around 7 o'clock. Not too early, not too late. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen.
Washing dishes is not fun, but it's necessary. After you clean, what do you do?
I like to relax. Sometimes I watch TV shows or movies. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I call my family or friends. What about you?
I usually watch YouTube videos. I also like to play video games. It helps me relax after a long day.
That's nice. Everyone needs time to relax. Do you exercise in the evening?
Sometimes, yes. I try to exercise 3 times a week. I go to the gym or go for a run. Exercise is very important for health.
That's true. I do yoga at home. It's relaxing and good exercise. What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock. I need about 8 hours of sleep. How about you?
I go to bed at 10:30. I like to sleep early because I wake up early. Sleep is very important.
Here are some useful evening vocabulary words. Supermarket, a large store that sells food. Cook, to make food. Relax, to rest and feel calm. Exercise, physical activity to stay healthy. Go to bed, to go to sleep.
Section 4. Weekend plans. Okay, Mr. P, let's talk about the weekend. Everyone loves the weekend. What do you do on Saturday and Sunday?
On weekends, I like to sleep late. I wake up at 9 or 10 o'clock. No alarm clock. It's wonderful.
That sounds nice. I also sleep a little late on weekends. After you wake up, what do you do?
I have a big breakfast. On weekends, I have time to cook pancakes or eggs with bacon. Then I go to the park.
You go to the park? That's nice. Do you exercise at the park?
Yes, I ride my bicycle or play basketball with my friends. Fresh air and exercise feel great. What do you do on weekends?
I like to meet my friends. We go shopping or have coffee together. Sometimes we watch a movie at the cinema.
That's fun. Do you travel on weekends?
Sometimes, yes. If I have time, I visit new places. I like to go to the beach or the mountains. Nature is beautiful. Do you travel?
Not often, but sometimes I take a short trip. I like to visit other cities. It's interesting to see new places.
Definitely. On Sunday evening, do you prepare for Monday?
Yes, on Sunday night I prepare my clothes for work. I also prepare my bag. It helps me feel ready for Monday.
That's smart. I do the same thing. Preparation makes Monday easier.
Here are some weekend vocabulary words. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Sleep late, to wake up later than usual. Go shopping, to visit stores and buy things. Cinema, a place to watch movies. Prepare, to get ready for something.
Wow, we talked about so many things today. Morning routines, work and school, evening activities, and weekend plans.
That's right. These are all important conversations for daily life. Now let's review all the vocabulary we learned today. Morning words, wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, breakfast.
Work and school words, start work, finish work, lunch break, co-worker, save money.
Evening words, supermarket, cook, relax, exercise, go to bed.
Weekend words, weekend, sleep late, go shopping, cinema, prepare.
That's 20 useful words. Practice using these words every day.
Remember, speaking slowly is okay. The important thing is to practice and try.
Now we have homework for you. In the comments, tell us, what is your daily routine? What do you do every day?
Write in English. Don't worry about mistakes. We want to hear from you.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Daily English Skills for more easy English lessons.
Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing your English every day.
We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.